We're going to go through the folding up procedure. So we're going to go through that.
This button
Go to that button.
also have to be green.
Yep.
And then we have to lift up the machine.
Lift the machine. Yep. So we then start to lift. Tram track units come up. And then we start to see the back wheels starting to rise, the back frame. And the main tyre frame coming down. Main unit coming down.
We can go in this menu.
And we go into that menu, which is the outer wings folding.
And now we want to fold in.
We're going to fold in, which is correct.
And now we have to check.
We have to check it, don't we?
If the
Yep. Which is okayed by the button on the side.
main wheels.
Main wheels. You'll notice in the bottom you'll have a degree of that back section for the back frame with all the gang, what degree it currently is at. Alright, on fold. So you now see it out all up in the fold area. We're going to bring the wings in now, so you can see all that. Now we'll proceed to go and bring the wings in.
We can press this button to clap the wings in.
So we go there, and the wings will start to come in, as will the alarm start to sound. So we'll locate on those two hooks on each side of the bin, as you can see there. Now we have to come and press the button below
To get in the transport mode.
in the transport mode for safety. There she is. She's located.